if my makeup don't last through this, then I don't know what to say, because my face looks super slick. I don't think anybody puts on this much setting spray. Like, I think I just broke a world record.
Right now, I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to and digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage. We ain't finished. I told you.
Hey guys, this is Jerika. Welcome to my channel. In honor of Mardi Gras, I decided to do a Mardi Gras inspired cut crease. It was kind of difficult for me to do, and I did end up losing some footage from this segment because I was filming. I thought I was filming and I wasn't filming, so me applying my face concealer was skipped, and a few other steps, which I do apologize about. But the most important steps, which is me cutting the crease of doing this, that part was included, so you guys will get to see that. So it wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. Like, when I first started, I had to completely, I always have problems getting this eye even with this eye, because this eye has like extra skin on my lid that has like a crease and it like folds. So I really have to like really be careful and precise with this eye. This eye, easy. I can get it, my cut creases with this eye perfect right away. So I always got to do this eye first and then model this eye with this eye, if that makes sense. Like, maybe you got perfect eyes, maybe you got perfect brows, maybe you don't have the issues that I deal with, to where it makes me doing simple makeup looks take longer than normal. But it's okay. So that was my dad who called me, so I had to make sure that he was doing good because he's not feeling well. So, I don't know what I was saying. So, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then I hope you guys keep watching. And if you have any Mardi Gras looks that you did, please let me know in the comments. And I will definitely check out your Instagram page or whatever page, so I can, I like collabing with other people who do makeup. Like, it's so fun. And so you get to learn how, like, you get to try and recreate what someone else did and make it your own. Like, it's really fun trying to recreate makeup looks. So I didn't see anyone do this, so I'm like, you know, let me go ahead and see if I can accomplish this. I've seen people do this with other colors, but I haven't seen anyone do Mardi Gras colors, so I thought it would be really cool to do. So anyway, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. This makeup look. I hope it's easy for you to understand this. The Juvias Place palette, the Zulu palette, and well, that's actually all I used was the Zulu palette. Yeah, Zulu palette. So I highly recommend this palette. I've used it in another video to do my I think it was a sunset cut crease. I think that's what I did. I'm not even sure, but I love Juvia's Place palettes. I'm like totally living for their eyeshadows. They're so pigmented, as you guys can see. They last a long time. They're so smooth and buttery, and they're just amazing. So I highly recommend anybody who does not have a Juvia's Place palette to get a Juvia's Place palette. They're not expensive, and they have sales all the time. And it's just freaking awesome. I recommend the Zulu palette, the Masquerade palette, the Saharan palette, even though I don't have that one. I'm trying not to buy any more makeup palettes because I feel like there's only so much one person can use for eyeshadow. Like if I was a makeup artist, I could get tons of palettes because I know I'd go through all the shades. But it's just me. So it's like, Jerika, stop buying all these palettes because they're coming out in the world. You don't need them. You're probably never going to use all of them. You're going to have these palettes for years. So you need to not buy any more makeup palettes until you start hitting the pan on at least one of them. If you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. And if you are from YouTube, make sure you comment on one of my photos and let me know who you are so I can check out your page as well. But I thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.